So traditionally gulab jamun is made with mawa, khoa or milk solid with a tint of plain flour. Finding the right amount of proportion can be tricky. So in this video, we are going to make this amazingly simple, easy and quick gulab jamun recipe with a pre-made MTR Gulab Jamun mix. So this 175 gram Gulab Jamun mix pack has MRP of 145 rupees, but you get one pack free with this pack. So coming to the recipe, empty the entire pack in a big bowl and we are going to make a soft dough of this. And for this one pack, we need 50 ml of lukewarm milk or water. So start adding a little milk and then knead and then add milk and then knead. See, our soft and smooth dough is ready. So we are going to keep this aside for 5 minutes. Till then we go to prepare sugar syrup. So take 900 gram of water. In that add 900 gram of sugar. So the ratio of sugar and water is 1:1. And you can add cardamom powder or crushed cardamom. Boil it for 5 minutes or until the syrup turns sticky. Now this is done. So switch off the flame and keep this aside. Coming back to the dough, first grease your hands with ghee. Now take the desired amount of dough and make small, smooth, round size jamun. The size of the jamun is completely your choice. You can even take the smaller balls. Now all the balls are ready. Heat the ghee on medium flame, and when the ghee is moderately hot, just fry one jamun to be sure about the dough consistency. So this one came out well, so we can fry the remaining balls on low flame. Keep stirring in between. If your jamun doesn't come out well or if it cracks in the ghee, then you need to do one thing. Just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk and then again knead the dough. Dough need to be on slightly softer side. If you like proper black jamun, you can even fry more, but keep the flame low. Now the fried gulab jamun will go in the lukewarm sugar syrup, not the extremely hot one, otherwise your jamun will break in the syrup itself. So make sure that the sugar syrup is lukewarm. Drop the fried gulab jamuns there and let it rest for 20 minutes minimum. And finally, the MTR Gulab Jamun has doubled in size and they have come out perfectly well. I was preparing it for the first time, so I was a little anxious about it. But if you follow the instruction mentioned on the pack, it is super simple, super easy and delicious gulab jamun. Give it a try and subscribe for more videos.